friends, we are back again. Earlier we did a topic homophones and today we are going to skip to the topic homographs. Basically, homographs are the words which have same spellings but they have different meanings. Let's jump to the first example, that is accent. It means the fluency of a person that is affected by an area. Second thing that can be done by accent is it means focus or emphasize on something. The second one is X's. The first one is the plural of X, that is an agriculture equipment. The second one is the plural of X's. Let's jump back to the third statement, that is subject. It means a part of a speech, that is the doer of the subject. Second is someone who is under any authority. Fourth one is bass. Bass means a hoarse or a deep voice. And secondly, it can also mean a kind of fish. If we talk about the fifth example, that is minute or minute we call it. It means a fraction of time, and secondly, it can be short. Thank you so much for liking our video. Do watch our next video and wait for it. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel Arts Learning. Thank you.